It's like it is one of those really important classes at Stanford that helps you see beyond your major. It is like the bridge between two disciplines in a lot of ways. It's the bridge from computer science to biology. And it gives people from both sides the ability to like come together and bring their own set of skills and then collaborate on a project. I mean, there's like a project that happens at the end of the class, and that's honestly a big part of the course is the homework assignments and the lectures that we get. It all sort of culminates in this final project where you get to have this interdisciplinary collaboration.
I think courses like this that are able to bridge computer science and biology are especially important with the birth of precision medicine, and kind of going forward you can obviously see how AI and machine learning play such a big role not only in like bench research but also in direct patient care as well. Stanford is one of the best places to learn kind of that intersection of technology, computation, and medicine.
I think that this course is a great opportunity to learn about biology and healthcare and the kind of advances and opportunities there are for someone who has a technical and CS machine learning background to apply it. Vice versa, I think it's an amazing opportunity for someone in the field of medicine and biology to learn how to leverage their domain expertise to push technology forward in the field.
I think so much of medicine and biomedical research is moving towards using computational tools, using large data sets. For a student, I think it can be really daunting to get into that field. And so having a class that just lays it all out in front of you and gives you that broad overview is a huge privilege. And it gives you that common language that you can then use to tackle more specific projects.
With the rapid development of high throughput technologies and the immense output of data, the data needs to be stored securely, it needs to be processed in a systematic manner, and also it needs to be analyzed so that it can be used in a way that is meant to be used.
This is an up-and-coming field. It's like, I think a lot of times like cloud computing is just kind of like a buzzword that people throw around and like don't really know what it is or what it can do. And so creating an understanding of its potential and just like explaining what it does at a very basic level is like, an important thing that people should learn.
Seeing how these two fields can be used together and are intertwined, especially in today's society with increasingly large amounts of data and health data.
This course taught me how to deal with large amounts of data, which is very important, and also how to incorporate the medical, like HIPAA compliancy sort of protocols that are in place. So I think this course is really helpful for anyone who sees a future in medical data analysis. And yeah, I think it'll serve a big role in hopefully my future. So because I can use all the concepts that I learned.
For me, I'm someone who worked with genomic data previously, and I would run processes and I would run them overnight only to wake up and discover that it's failed or it stopped running for some reason. And with this course, I got a really great overview of what workflows to use exactly to prevent specifically this kind of error from happening again.
The things that I was most interested in was being able to do research in a field outside my own. I think that's a common feeling among a lot of students, right? Especially at the master's degree level, where I feel sometimes pigeonholed, I guess, into some of the machine learning courses I'm taking, or sometimes I feel like a lot of the courses I'm stuck like in the computer science or the statistics department. So it's nice to meet people, both from like a social aspect, to meet people outside my department, but also to study and have the chance to do like a large scale project outside of the things that I normally see.
There's a gap of knowledge between people who are very much on the computational side or more on the infrastructure side, and those people who are more on the experimental side who generate the data. I think it's very important for these people to be able to understand the needs of one another and the challenges so that they can talk to one another and collaborate more. And this is the only way we can truly achieve new products, a great innovation.